How do we drive innovation through the lean management concept of Kaizen? When employees leave, especially the good performers, this translates into a higher cost for employers to replace lost staff, as well as a loss of talent, knowledge, and innovative ideas. One of the things you can do to retain staff is to develop a culture for innovation in the workplace, to enhance employee motivation and enthusiasm, that leads to higher productivity and customer satisfaction. A staff suggestion system is a means to this end. A staff suggestion system is a formalized mechanism that encourages employees to contribute constructive ideas for improving the organization in which they work. A staff suggestion system is a Kaizen practice and is also known as Kaizen. Kaizen is a system of practices that foster continual improvement of processes in manufacturing, engineering, and business management. When applied to the workplace, Kaizen refers to activities that continuously improve all business functions, involving and affecting employees at all levels. If you want to learn more about Kaizen, we have linked to a number of frameworks, templates, and other resources in the description. The overall aim of the staff suggestion system is to gather, analyze, and implement ideas to create results that have a positive impact on the organization, deliver new value to customers, or both. An effective staff suggestion system improves your own work and the working environment, creates ownership and trust, builds teamwork, and last but not least, enhances communication between employees and management. For a staff suggestion system to be effective, management needs to create a culture that encourages employees to think and find better ways to do things, including improvements to product and service offerings. There has to be a culture shift from a complaining workforce to a thinking workforce. To achieve a high implementation rate, suggestions have to be job-oriented and implemented in the suggestor's own department or function. So, how do we implement the staff suggestion system? Here are some steps employers can take to launch a suggestion system in their workplace. First, form a suggestion committee. Get together a small group of people from different functions. Integrate the suggestion system into existing in-company productivity initiatives, for example, quality circles. Next, involve people. Create interest by involving as many people as possible from the start. Invite employees to suggest names and design logos or mascots for the suggestion system. Leverage promoters and in-company publicity. Announce the suggestion system to all employees. Highlight names of those who have contributed to the planning and setting up of the system. Announce the suggestion system in the company newsletter and intranet and put up posters to generate publicity. Finally, have a launch party. Hold a convention or conference and invite the chief executive officer to give the opening address. Take advantage of the occasion by distributing suggestion forms and invite employees to submit at least one suggestion per month. With the system in place, the next activity is to promote. How do we do that? First, consider developing monthly themes, for example, customer service, to focus ideas on an important issue that the company wants to improve. Create the atmosphere by using more than a single method to promote suggestions. For example, encourage new hires undergoing on-the-job training to think of better ways of doing things. Also, make reference materials, such as related books and videos, available. Disseminate monthly performance metrics on the staff suggestion system, so that employees are aware of their department's performance. Create categories of awards, for instance, awards for increasing revenue, awards for reducing costs, and so on. We can also launch an Innovation or Ideas Day. Announce the results achieved and give awards to individuals, groups, and departments for contributing their suggestions. You can also share success stories and invite external speakers to give talks on related topics. What are the challenges to launching an effective Kaizen? As in implementing any continuous improvement initiative, there are challenges in managing and sustaining a suggestion system. Employees could fear reprimands for making suggestions, as their supervisors might perceive their ideas as indications that the department is not perfect. Where ideas are routed to the employees' supervisors for vetting, there could be a counterproductive filtering of ideas at the department level. Sometimes there could be periods of low participation rates. Possible causes include failure to maintain constant publicity, no target setting, heavy workloads, and disillusionment from seeing good ideas that were not implemented. An effective staff suggestion system requires management's commitment to keep it alive. It is important to involve the middle managers in the idea generation process, as they are a key pillar to sustain the mechanism. Recognize and reward individuals and groups for participation. To demonstrate credibility to the workforce, management needs to act on the good suggestions and evaluate suggestions. As Winston Churchill said, the only way to have a good idea is to have lots of ideas. For this to happen, organizations need to implement a mechanism to capture employee ideas and bubble up the good ones. A healthy suggestion system can bring many tangible and intangible benefits to the organization, as well as retain valuable talents in the company. For more information, materials, best practices, and implementation tools related to Kaizen and other lean management methodologies, check out the links that we have included in the description. In fact, we have included links to best practices related to all management topics referenced in this video in the description. If you have any questions about implementing a successful staff suggestion system, please leave them as comments below. If you enjoy these types of videos on business frameworks, methodologies, and management models, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Flevy.com directly for thousands of best practice business frameworks and tools. We regularly publish videos like this one across a multitude of management topics, from workplace productivity to 5S to rapid process improvement.